That was a very intense night. I'm not sure if you can see it, but we are rolling like you can't believe. We started waking up with things crashing in the kitchen. Look at this. This is so intense. I throw my coffee all over my hand.
It's a beautiful morning here in Ibiza. This rolling is so intense that it's been a while that I can't sleep properly and I'm just feeling f***ing desperate. Although I feel lucky because today I'm going on a work trip for a couple of days, so I get to get away from this. But
he's gonna come back from a work trip and I'm gonna be like an eggnog over here. I'm gonna be shaken and stirred until I'm basically just a foam.
you know the song from Queen? It goes, I'm going slightly mad, I'm going slightly mad, it finally happened.
I need people to understand what it is to roll, right? It's rolling right now so much that you can't keep your balance, so you have to have something. Literally, I'm not moving it right now, so we can see almost full sky and almost full. So your whole body's contracting the whole time. You can't walk anywhere, but you can't sleep because your body gets flopped around. Like, unfortunately for me, my wife's tolerance is a bit less than mine, so then we both, like, I can see it's freaking her out, and then that freaks me out, and then we just ends up driving a wedge. It drives a wedge into our relationship.
No, it just drives a f***ing wedge in our sex life.
Well, that wedge is there, yes.
I think that's true. I think that's why people buy catamarans.
Ah, that's it. She's got it.
No, but like, look at these. She woke up, but like, they're not moving. I mean, good for them. This fisheye 0.5 zoom is making you look like a monkey with really long arms.
This is literally straight. So, today is my birthday, and I have been abandoned by my wife, who's left me to fend for myself in this terrible, terrible location. I mean, there are probably about one other place on earth I'd rather be than waking up to my birthday at anchor just off the coast of Ibiza. And I'm kidding, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go into shore, I'm gonna have a nice workout, eat a nice brekkie, gonna go grab a coffee, gonna do some editing, some working. I can't wait. And then she's coming back at about 1 p.m. and we've got some friends. We're going to move the boat to the south of the island so we're a bit more protected. We've got some friends coming around this evening, Olga and Mark, and yeah, we both love them so much. They're such a cool couple, and we're looking forward to spending some quality time with them. So that's going to be the goal for today. Dee is going to come back to the boat racked with the perfect amount of guilt for leaving me in the morning, which means that she's going to overcompensate in the afternoon, which I'm looking very forward to. So I'm going to shore now, gonna take it easy, and yeah, have fun. I took my time this morning, but you know what? It's my birthday. I can do that. And then I really want to get some proper editing done, so I've got something nice to show Dee when she gets back. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
A few moments later.
It is now 11 a.m. Vlog 3 of surviving my birthday alone. Just had a wonderful workout, a coffee, lots of calls with friends, and now I get to arrive to Ronnie. There she is in all her glory. So we have just had a wonderful, wonderful birthday lunch, and now my wife is leveraging my birthday to justify a dessert for herself. She claims that it's for me.
But you love chocolates.
Yes.
There's a funny thing about living this life. We spend so much time trying to capture it. But this week in Ibiza, with our friends on board, we decided to do something else. We put the phones away and we just enjoyed the moment. Sunset sailing, hair in the wind, and long conversations on deck. A reminder that this adventure isn't just about where we sail, but who we get to share it with. And honestly, that felt pretty special.
Hear back from me. I love you guys.
This is so deflated.
This is something else. You got phone vertical.
No, she said horizontal.
Did she not say?
Did you say vertical or horizontal?
It's a very important detail.
No, it's
Pressure.
No, yeah, horizontal because it's for YouTube.
Okay, yeah.
Horizontal.
Big moments, guys. Big moments. Okay.
So you can actually see.
Oh, that's them over there. Yeah.
Lumpy, toch?
Were they coming in on the dinghy? I saw her location.
Yeah, so I saw the thingy. I think they're busy getting.
We're waiting to surprise Stu. We don't know exactly our plan.
I see them. They're coming.
Oh shit, they're coming. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the game plan, guys?
Should we just awkwardly stand here and then swarm?
I think I like the awkward swarm. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
go.
Maybe I'll ask one of them to record the moment. How about that? I'll ask them to record us swarming.
Right now, yes. Right now, absolutely. I had heard one or two small rumors, and I was so glad about it because I can look forward to hopefully something happening. Look at this, though.
Yes, look at all.
Hey!
How lekker is it to have the boys here, eh?
Gracias, amigo. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias.
What's up, my man? you got us for a week? We got us for a week. Brilliant. I'm absolutely loving this. You look like Mr. Miyagi.
Oh man, I've been looking forward to this moment for so long.
Cheers, boys. Cheers.
Aibo.
I'm pointing at you. Jesus, this is a seriously intense storm going on. Hello, Julianus.
How are you doing? Look, guys, we've got some thunderstorms here.
Yes.
Me, dude.
I got that on film.
see that?
Yarra, bro. Fucking hell. But the problem here is that if our anchor drags, we are on those rocks straight away. So right now, like earlier, it hit 40 knots, and that was very intense. Hitting 30 knots at like 3 a.m. This is a bit wild, I'll be honest with you. Absolutely nothing predicted. I am actually concerned over here. I'm actually concerned. It is, the rain is just picking up, the lightning is wild, the wind is wild, everything is going crazy. The wind is like 30 something knots.
Ah man, it's looking rather wet out here, buddy. Just, you know, pumping it out.
This is wild. I've never seen the dinghy so full. Looks like the worst has passed us. But that was quite, that was intense. I think there was so much rain that got on the boat. The dinghy was absolutely flooded. The fuel tank was floating on the top of the dinghy.
Get in here, boys! Yeah!
When I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. And when I stare too long, I'm going right down and cry.
Yeah, McCover? Oh, that's the fucking money shot. Seriously, money shot.
That is perfect in so many ways.
The water is really warm. I'm not fucking with you. It's really, really nice. Hello, criminal.
Have all our best mates with us.
Yeah.
Some are missing, but all missed exactly the same. What a wonderful, wonderful evening. This is what you wish for. Not a breath of wind in the air. Perfect, perfect sea. And just best mates around us. Love it.
On the road again. Are you excited?
I am. I'm wary of all the struggles that we've been having, that we're putting off till winter. Ibiza's been cool. I am ready to leave it behind. And from now forth, I live a wholesome and plant-based diet. I drank all of the beer in Ibiza, so I'm happy to let it be. Go back to a nice routine life.
Yeah, Ibiza has been good to us. We've had some nice social times, but it is time to get back to a nice routine. Ibiza, till next time, but not too soon.